Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how we can make these types of awesome animation in After Effects. So let's get started. First, take new composition 1920 into 180. Okay. Yeah, then text tool and type anything you want. I will type like custom. Okay, and align it. Okay, caps lock off so that this type of thing will happen. And press Ctrl to take the anchor point into the middle of the text. Press Ctrl and double click the pen behind tool. Okay, now you see now the anchor point is in the middle. Okay, now go to project and create another composition. Same criteria, no need to change. Okay, then take the composition 1 to the composition 2. Okay, here we will take another effect CC. Okay, CC Mr. Mercury. Okay, okay. Here you can see that there is one kind of animation here. Okay, okay. Yeah. So if in this I can make a radius x larger, like as you want. You have to experiment it. Okay, I will take 150 or yeah 151 is okay for me, and radius by to 7. Okay, 150. Okay, uh, velocity like 2.5 is enough I think, and birth rate I will take zero point 0.4 or zero point 0.6. With the longitude like 5. Okay, and gravity to minus 0.8. Okay, resistance we will use like 0.2. Okay. Now animation exclusive here, you will choose fire. Now you see this types of animation here. Now here everything's okay, blue in and out. Okay, okay, blue bath size, make it larger. Okay, like 2.5. Yeah, yeah, it's cool. Now you can see it's cool. And blue bed size, like we will take 0.5. Okay, okay, let's see the preview here. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, now press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Okay, now in this duplicate you have to change a little bit things here. Okay, like you have to decrease your velocity by 1.5, 1.4 or 1.4 I guess. Okay, and birth rate to 0.4. Okay, gravity is okay, distance okay, extras okay. Okay, you can change the blue bar size here. Like we will take, yeah, 1.5 is enough, and make it 0.2 or 2.4. Okay, let's see the preview, or you can change the some sequence. So here you see the animation. Okay, you have to experiment it a little bit. Okay, how much velocity do you want, birth rate do you want, resistance do you want, or blue bar size. You have to increase it or decrease it to get the fixed amount here. Okay. Okay, now we will add some animation here. So if we go to like, okay, first if we go to fill, here we see fill here. Okay, then drop it here. Red. Okay, so if you see the animation here, yeah, it's awesome, right? Okay. Okay, if we do one fill, then off it, and we will use another like four gradients. Okay, 4 color gradients. So drop it here, and you can see already the animation is started. Okay, okay, let's make the pointer too much close. So we can get the maximum effect here. So I can easily change the color here. Okay, then I will like take it blue, then here I will take violet color. Okay, now we'll take red, and here I will take yellow. Okay. Adjust the color setting here. How much color do you want? Okay, you can see how awesome it's looking now. Okay, if you want, okay, I will want to make like 1.8. If yes, 1.5. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's totally okay and awesome looking. So if we don't want both, then okay, off it, no worries. Now we'll create another one. Okay, let's create new composition here. Take the composition 2 to our composition 3. Here you see the only the raw here. Okay, now we have to take like channel. Okay, here you see the shift channels, drop down here, and okay, fast full of weather green and the blue full of, then Ctrl D and Ctrl D. We will make 2 duplicates here. Okay, in first duplicate there will be red, second duplicate we will off the red full off and make the green on, and third duplicate we will full red off and make the blue. Just like okay, now just take first one and make it 8. Okay, now we will increase this slider so we can take enough. Okay, we will just take one step backward, then if we take the only one, then we have to take one step back. Okay, now it's totally okay. Okay, now wait, you can see the RGB effect here. This looks awesome, right? Okay, now here's the thing, I will give this preset for you. You have to do nothing. If you want to change this text here, okay, we go to composition 1 here. So like if we want to change the text, we will type like design or graphics. Okay, like type graphics. Okay, alright. Yeah, okay. Now if you come to composition 3, so here the graphics composition already here. Okay, if you don't want this, but if you want the 4 gradient color and that, okay, you can also do it like on this effect panel. So you can see, yeah, it's already happening. If you don't want this, if you want 4 color gradient, then you can also do it. Yes. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, if you want to like make a new shape here, create a box here. So let's create a box. I take the stroke 16, for me it's okay, and try to align it. So you can see the box is here. So you really don't need to do anything, the whole thing is fixed here. So just change the text if you want, and boom, the work's done. It's a really cool, amazing effect. Okay, if I want, I like on 2 effects here, fill and 4 color gradient. Here you can see how dramatic it's looking now. Okay, if I go to composition 3, I on all the effects there, so you can see that it's awesome, right? Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video, and I will come back to with new tutorials. So till then, see ya, bye.